This is one of the crafting bins that I showed you on one of my most recent Costco video. I'm just going to empty everything into this box and we're going to take a look at what's inside. I need this big bin for a raffle for one of the event I'm hosting. So I'm just going to take this opportunity to go through and see what's inside one of these bins. Buttons, wheels, some kind of colorful tape. Let me see. That's what it looks like. Tape. Colorful tape. But I can't find the big... Oh yeah, there's the beginning of it. Right there. We've got shapes, foam shapes, some flex balls, styrofoam balls, jewels, circles, shiny circles, glue and glitter glue and some ribbon, some googly eyes, clothespins, and some flowers, some sparkly puffs, big ones, what do they call these? Pipe cleaners? Pipe cleaners. Popsicle sticks, huge popsicle sticks. These are these things you open up. A couple of those, a few different colors, and then we've got filler to make the bin look fuller than it was. Oh, this is a divider. Get it out. Just a divider. What's this here? Craft box. Use stickers inside to create a house or a monster. I wonder if these are all the same in all the boxes. Oh, okay. That's neat. So that's one craft right there. You can create a house or a monster. And then we've got another divider. Oh. I can't get that out with one hand. Oh, masks, superhero masks, rainbow mask, cloud wall hanging. Okay, and what do we got here? I'm not sure what this is for. Paper. Okay, what's this one? Some more masks, it looks like. Oh, glasses. Photo props. And lion mask. And some weird paper. Paper plates and doilies. We've got letters and more colorful buttons, some sticks, and some stickers. This is the 100 Craft Project book. Let's see what else we got in here. Owl masks, some fabric, sparkly paper, some colorful paper, a scissor and a glue, sticks, probably for the masks. I don't know why I said it like that. String, 2 different kinds of string, plastic string and wool string. I don't like plastic string. Plastic string always comes loose on me. Beads, one of those packs to keep things fresh, keep moisture out. Another doil. So that is everything that was in one of the craft jars.